Today, we'll be taking a look at the noise filter on this LG front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove this top here. Of course, it is held on by 2 Phillips screws on the back. Next, be very careful. Let's slide this sharp metal off. Lift it up and set it to the side. Now that we have the top panel removed and set aside, we have clear access to our noise filter here. Now the main reason why you'd be getting to your noise filter is because this tricky little booger likes to cut power to the entire machine. You have a fuse on the top right here, and if this blows, you have to replace the entire thing, but it will cause no power to be on your UI. In order to test it, you can test for continuity on both portions of the fuse. If it does not have continuity, this will need to be replaced. Now in order to replace it, first we're going to disconnect our wiring by pressing in on the little end of the harnesses here. This will unlock them from the noise filter. There we go. Then to remove it, press up on this tab, and we just kind of give it a slide, pull it out, and set it to the side. When installing your new noise filter, first we're just going to slide the squares in the provided area on the frame, slide it over to lock it in place. Next, let's reinstall the wiring. Of course, they are color-coded, so the red goes in the red, the white goes in the white. Now we can reinstall the top panel. When reinstalling your top panel, be very careful. We don't want to slice and dice. Just go ahead and sit it down. You'll want about 1 inch away from the front. That's where it actually drops down. And then you can slide it forward and it should match up with the front. Let's reinstall the 2 screws on the back. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.